Good afternoon, everyone. Another day, another vlog. So, as you guys see in the title, I purchased a new camera. I felt it was very much needed, not for the sake of vlogging as such. My old camera was around 10 years, like I was seeing the bill. I'm planning to sell it basically. It was due for an upgrade, hence I purchased the camera. So, before heading into that, let's load the intro. This was what was delivered to me. Let's do the unboxing. Here it is, guys. This is the Lumix G85 which I happened to purchase. So this unboxing is for you guys. So you get a user manual, charging cable, battery, charger, Wi-Fi cable, lens hood, the lens strap, and here is the camera, guys. This is the Lumix G85. Basically, I did a lot of research before taking this camera. The best camera which is in the competition range or which is a direct competitor within this budget for the Lumix G85 is the Canon M50. I was kind of very confused which to go ahead with, either the Lumix or the Canon. Eventually, I settled for the Lumix. There's again the Lumix G7, which more or less comes with the same specs as the G85, but I'll mention out the differences between the G7, the G85 and the Canon M50 as well, and why I chose the G85 over the Canon M50 or the G7 because of the below mentioned features. First, let's check out the main features which the G85 has over the G7. G85 mainly has stabilization, both electronic and digital as well, which the G87 doesn't have. It is weather sealed. The G87 is not weather sealed. Micro SD card is on the side, whereas with the G7 it is down along with the battery compartment. So this is a main hindrance, considering every time you want to change out your SD card, you'll have to remove the camera from your tripod or from your vlogging setup or whatever, and then change the SD card. So this is kind of a downside what I felt. Unlimited recording time. Once you start the camera, till your battery lasts or till your SD card lasts, till then it will keep on recording. But the G7 has a 30-minute recording limit. So after 30 minutes it automatically shuts down or stops recording basically. This is more or less the differences between the G7 and the G85. Everything is same except these is what I narrowed down, but the main part is the stabilization. It almost provides gimbal like stabilization, I can vouch for that. The G85 with the Canon M50, Canon's color science is always better when compared to the Lumix. G85 doesn't have the color science like Canon does. It has neutral colors, so it can kind of match up if you happen to choose the correct color science during your post editing and stuff. You can always tweak it whenever needed. The thing which is on the Canon M50, the G85 too has, like the tilt screen or the adjustable tilt screen, the mic input. This too has. The main difference which the G85 has is the stabilization, like I said, which the Canon M50 doesn't have. If you're vlogging, if you're walking, if you're running, the jitters will be shown in the M50. So whereas in the G85 it has 5-axis stabilization on the camera body itself plus 2-axis stabilization on the lens, so it's like a 7-axis stabilization. People who watch your videos will not even get to know if you're walking. It will be that stable. Canon's scores over the G85 is the autofocus. Lumix cameras have always been renowned not to have good autofocus. Autofocus is mainly based on the contrast settings, whereas the Canon autofocus is mainly based on the dual pixel autofocus. So this is where Canon M50 scores over the G85, but apart from that everything is the same. Why I chose the G85 is because of the stabilization. Like I said, this was a main thing for me. Match the red dots of the camera and the lens like this, and once it's matched, hold the lens and twist it. There will be a click sound and it locks. So suppose if you want to join the hood, there will be a dot on the hood here and a dot here. So what you do is match both the dots and then twist it. There'll be a click and you ready to go. This is how it will look, guys, after the assembly. This is comparatively very light when compared to my old camera. And old camera I meant this one. So this was the one which I used all this while. This is the Nikon D5100. So this is predominantly a photography camera and not much suited for videography. Now since I am doing vlogs, it was kind of difficult for me to handle in the sense, one, it's very bulky, and second, this is basically not suited for videography. I mean, the autofocus and all, it's not as fast as the cameras which I have nowadays. So I thought I might as well let go of this, hence I took the G85. So I'm planning to sell this as well. If you guys are interested, please DM me on Instagram. It's the same name as my YouTube channel name as well. I know this is still in very excellent condition, just that it is not suiting my needs as of now. Also, I took a couple of sample footages from this, but the quality of it was so nice. Very happy with this purchase. That's about it, guys. I hope you like this short and simple differences between each of the cameras. If you really like it, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you in some other vlog, and goodbye.